Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Hello, my Israel St. Andrew family. I am Patrick Peter King, your Member of Parliament candidate, and I am here ready and willing to serve and represent on your behalf. I hail from the community of Waterhouse St. Andrew, where I grew up. I never allowed the stigma associated with the community to determine my future. Like many others from Waterhouse, I have used my struggles to propel me into action, pushing me to find solutions and make positive change. My primary school education started at Balmaji, then I passed the common entrance examination and was placed at Kingston College, where I spent 7 years. Kingston College assisted in molding and creating the person that I am today. After doing my CXC and A-level examination, I moved to the University of the West Indies, where I pursued a double major in political science and sociology. While at the university, I developed an interest for law, and I moved on to the University of the West Indies Cayville campus, where I pursued a degree in law. After Cayville, I returned to Jamaica, where I did my Certificate of Legal Education at the Norman Manley Law School. I was admitted to the bar and have been practicing for over 17 years now. I've had the opportunity to be junior counsel for several then Queen's Counsel, which is now King's Counsel, like Churchill Nita and Valerie Nita Robertson and others. I also had the opportunity to practice in the Turks and Caicos Islands, where I represented a defendant involved in the Mike Missick fraud case. I have had a good career so far, practicing a mixture of civil litigation, real estate, and a successful track record in criminal litigation. I enjoy football. I'm an avid watcher of the English Premier League, where I support the Chelsea team. I also enjoy having religious and political conversations as well as advocacy. My proudest moment was becoming a father. I am humbly inviting your support to make our constituency safer by tackling the issues of youth empowerment, land titling, water woes, and other injustices faced by our communities. As our party anthem says, in steadfast assurance that God will look down and give us His blessings on our efforts to crown, let us all be united to build by His grace a nobler Jamaica. Israel St. Andrew family, this is your next Member of Parliament, Patrick Peter King, here to represent all constituents. Time come for real representation.
Big up on yourself, Parliament revolutionists and freedom fighters. Yeah man, Yada in a diaspora, big up on yourself. All lady warriors, big up on yourself, man. All PMP, big up on yourself. You know, see me? Blessed love on the Sabbath morning, yeah man. See me? See? Yeah man, yesterday I did on the campaign trail yesterday, you know. Yeah man. You see me? I'm a boss, I travel, you know, see it. Yeah, get the people, I'm ready. When the trumpet sound, you see me? One Omar Noel, you see me? Central St. Mary, Yeah, man. We tried in the Islington division with their campaign yesterday, man, to get a well proper, welcome from the people. The people ready. You see me? The people would mind if tomorrow Andrew call election. You see me? See, big up yourself, talk your mind at all for the press. You don't know the general. I'm a warrior lady. Big up on yourself. You see me? But you want now. Something have gone on, See, we are some policeman. Now want you video them. And them no want you to them no have no badge number upon them to show them number or their name. A policeman supposed to have a name, visible upon him clothes, and him badge number, Because remember, the people, we are going in a Jamaica, you see me, right now, we are going in a Jamaica. You have to be afraid of these police officers, them out there that are stopping, because there's a lot of illegal police officers in the JCF right now. See them all two are there out on the street. See one man in there for much years transfer himself to superintendent and all them something there. You see me? So when a police officer stop up on the road, they're supposed to video him. You see me? That you can sure say other police officer they do this or do that. You see me? Them no want that. See, Orius Chang, Andrew Wonis, Delroy Chok, the DPP, the Governor General and the Commissioner of Police is working together because what? They do not order their servants of the state to present themselves legally to the citizens of Jamaica who them are served. Remember, I know the citizens of Jamaica are served them, because remember, and them appear the citizens them, and the citizens them appear them by the tax that them pay. That's some of the picnic them in a belly who are right now where Andrew One is and in government borrow and cannot accountable for. You see me? But yet, them have servant of the state go there and analyze the people them and do not want the people them to video nothing where I go on. Because they send them out there, you see me, to do their bid, to analyze the people and commit genocide upon the Jamaican people to please the people and that Andrew One serve. You know, look at this system dog labor, right? Come so all one big face boy. But you see, no saying is a fucking piece of shit. Talking about PJ mustn't bury amongst the era them in a Jamaica. See, I got grave for dig out of Jamaica. Bustamante grave for dig out of Jamaica too. Because being member Bustamante did go away and big man. You know see it? Man in captain pan ship. Adapt him and give him name. So Bustamante not supposed to bury amongst the era. He's supposed to dig up out of Jamaica. And can go dash where I see, just like Siaga. When I'm talking about PJ, is the man that make Uno live the life and can depend on social media right now. Because if it was under Siaga and the Jamaica Labour Party, none of we wouldn't get phone and could end up on social media. I tell so much fucking lie. And I discriminate the good people. PJ is the only man that pay off, and I will never stop talking this. Pay off the IMF loan where Siaga borrow how much billions of dollars, take 30 million for himself, and say if he got about it, saying he take it for himself, I borrow and did borrow it. When Manley they had up back the book, 89 when they win, and find out, you see me? And go to him about it. That's what him said. Him forgot that he did borrow it. And these shithouse, these Jamaica Labour Party shithouse, all I know in the Jamaica Labour Party is corner boy, gully boy, You see me? Criminal, in a gully. The whole I know. No for in the Jamaica Labour Party should never ever get a chance. You see me? Not even to represent, not as an MP, but to any official work. in any government in a Jamaica county are fucking criminals. You don't know the deeds. You don't come out and ball out about people and blame you wrongfully. You don't know what you do. And a lot of people in a Jamaica know what you have done too. So you don't come around and go on like you is perfect. None of you know. Not perfect. When a Prime Minister finger fear something he look like allegedly when he young. And who will take him? Set him to that thing can't stop. Take. Him are the top taker. 28 bank account. Cannot certify by the Integrity Commission. See, billions of dollar business in all different in Caribbean island.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
Jamaica, time coming up. Time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golden. Because fold your fist, wave your hand, because walk around district and
in solidarity with your leader, Comrade Mark. Time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see all that ex yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can't get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. They nurse them. Or if you are working long hours and can't get no pay if you go foreign if you try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.